most lead forms get ignored, but quizzes, people actually finish them. A lead generation quiz is a short, interactive experience that captures emails by giving users something they care about at a personalized result. Quizzes outperform traditional forms because they build momentum. Users answer one question, then the next, and by the time they reach the end, they're already invested. At that point, entering an email feels like a natural step, not a barrier. If you are a marketer, agency, coach, or business owner using WordPress and you want higher intent leads without increasing traffic, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to build a lead generation quiz from scratch. A lead generation quiz uses the result as leverage. Instead of just showing an outcome, it delivers real value, deeper insights, and clear recommendations. On the next step, they get their email. Instead of only collecting a name and email, you learn who the user is, their preferences, skill level, pain points, goals, and how they answer questions. That leads to better segmentation, better follow ups, and higher quality leads. In the next section, we'll build the strategy step by step inside WordPress. So your quiz doesn't just collect emails, it collects the right ones. To begin, navigate to the QSM dashboard and click on the Get Started, select the quiz, then click Proceed, and again Proceed. Now enter the quiz name and start adding questions. Here I'm importing questions from the question bank, but you can also add questions manually. Filter by category, then select all the relevant questions from the list. Once selected, click the Add Questions button to import them. Here, I'm deleting the questions I don't need. For each question, ensure you mark the correct answer and allocate the appropriate point value. I've given 2 points for every correct answer. Repeat this process for the second question, assigning points and marking the correct choice. Next, navigate to the Contact tab. To capture user information, enable both the name and email fields. Now, let's move to the Options section within the contact form. Since we want to show the contact form before displaying the results, enable the contact form position using shortcode. Copy the provided shortcode. Save contact form settings after making changes. Now, let's proceed to the main Options tab for further configurations. Within the options, click on the Display subtab to adjust how the quiz looks. Here, we'll make the quiz more intuitive by showing one question per page and enabling a real-time progress bar. Next, we'll navigate to the quiz submission section to manage submission parameters. Set a specific time limit for the quiz. I'm setting it to 10 minutes. And then save this before moving forward. Finally, let's proceed to the Results Pages tab. On the result page, we first need to create page and paste the shortcode we copied earlier. This page will be used as the interim result page. Make sure to enable the setting, use as interim result page. Otherwise, the contact form will not be shown before the final result. I have created multiple result pages. It depends on what type of results you want to show. In this case, I have created 3 result pages with 3 different conditions. For this page, I have set the condition that the quiz total points must be greater than 3 and less than 8. When these criteria are met, users will see this content. Similarly, for another page, if the total score is greater than 9, then that result page content will be displayed, and so on. On the first result page, which is set as the interim result page, I have pasted the shortcode here. Now it's time to save all these carefully configured result pages. With the results pages saved, we are ready to view the quiz. Let's open the quiz and click Start Quiz to begin. As you can see, it is asking me to enter my name and email. I'm going with a pre-filled name and email. This is the result I'm getting based on the condition I set on the result page. As you can see, I scored 4, so this result is shown. This is how a lead generation quiz works. Capturing an email is just the first step. The real power of a lead generation quiz is revealed in what happens immediately after someone signs up. QSM seamlessly connects with a variety of popular email marketing and automation tools like Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, and Zapier. These integrations allow you to automatically send quiz leads to the right lists and dynamically apply tags based on specific answers, trigger personalized follow up sequences without any manual work. So, instead of treating every subscriber the same, you can personalize emails based on quiz results, score ranges, and specific user behavior. This video was a high level overview. In the next video, we'll show you how to send leads to ActiveCampaign. And if you want to connect your quiz with the Mailchimp email automation tool, watch our previous video. If you found this video useful, like the video and subscribe to our channel.